Hello, everyone. I am going to be going over some NetSuite marketing automation here today. Wanted to show you a few quick things. It's pretty cool what you can do with NetSuite. One of the best parts is if you have HubSpot or MailChimp right now and you have NetSuite or considering NetSuite, it's pretty much something you can set up to do within NetSuite. And save that $800 a month HubSpot bill just by running it through NetSuite. So anyways, let's get started. I wanted to go ahead and basically how to run a campaign. You go ahead and set up, obviously, and you do your import of the contacts you want to set a campaign to. And then you'll go ahead and create your marketing templates. So basically how to do that, campaigns, marketing templates, and I'm going to create a new campaign. And you can choose whether you want to create a fully customizable online form or if you want to just do a regular campaign. We'll do the campaign for now, and we'll do a blank scriptable. I just want to show an example. And then you just do this process over for however many emails are within the campaign. So it does get pretty basic, which is nice. So say we were going to name this a test campaign and description test. It lets you send your email previews every time you save it. It sends you a sample of what it's going to look like. So test 1, 2, 3. And then what's cool about this too is you can do it by contact name. So hello, you can do, say you wanted a certain person's first name. You can go by the entity, their first name of the contact. And then if you hit tab, it'll go ahead and default it here. So I'll show you. And then anybody assigned to this campaign, it'll automatically pull their first name from each contact file and put it in. So I hope you save money with NetSuite. Let's do that. There we go. And then what's cool too is you can also do signatures. So from an employee signature, it gets really cool. So let me do that. Whoops. Nope. All right, let me try this. I can't remember it fully. Sorry, my system's running a little slow here. Cue Jeopardy. It's always something when you're live or recording. Just simply put, there's always errors. All right, so I'm going to skip this part, but you get the idea. Basically, you set this up. It puts the source to put whatever employee is sending the emails. So that would is awesome. And then marketing wise, you can say who it's from. I'll just say Chad Bow. It's from me, or you can set it to send from a sales rep. You put in the subscription, and say I was just going to do a NetSuite ERP. Great. And then I could do categories too. Just say it's an unqualified lead. Say we're targeting brand new customers, and then you'll save that and you're good to go. And then what's cool about that is then you'll create your saved search. So you go under reports, new search, and then you can go ahead and search by contact. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a saved search based off of the people that I imported. So just say test import or test leads. You would want to check these based off of who you want to see it and where you can access the report from or the search from. Say I wanted the subscription and I want to pull it by the NetSuite ERP. And then I can do any other things right here, but just for example, I'm going to create that search. All right, perfect. Test leads. And if I view here, it'll pull anybody from my NetSuite leads. And then what you'll go ahead and do is create a group also. And I'll show you why. So basically, you'll go into the campaigns, marketing groups. You'll do a new. You'll have a dynamic one. That way, if anybody unsubscribes or you want to add anybody automatically based off of in the future who's being assigned a subscription, I recommend keeping it dynamic. If you want to do more manual labor, which I don't recommend, you could choose the static. But this group is going to be a contact level. And then we will go ahead and put the name in. I'm just going to say test. And then the save search, I also did test. So I'll put, it's going to be from me, and then comments, test, and then you can see anybody that has the subscription goes there and you save that. And then what's nice about this is now that you have the import done with the contacts, they're assigned to a subscription. You created marketing templates within how many emails are within the campaign you want to set up. You've created the save search to pull that and the group as well. So now we're ready to create our marketing campaign, and that is going to be campaigns. Let me show that, and then marketing campaigns, and then you can do new. And then I will title this as a test campaign. The category is, say, I'm going to do ERP marketing. Since we are NetSuite, we sell NetSuite, we implement NetSuite, and we train and consult. So start date, you can do your end date. I'll just say it's over these next 3 days, and I want to set a daily email. Say there's 3 in there. I'm going to do a test campaign. And then what I'll go ahead and do here is there's a target group here. Remember, we did a test. So target group, which is pulls everybody from the within the subscription. So I'll show you this. I ignore template category and I'm going to go right to the template because I created a test template. And then the title is just the subject line that's there, test 1, 2, 3. The subscription automatically defaulted to NetSuite ERP. And then I can choose the status. So if you're creating the plan, the campaign, but you're not ready yet, go ahead and do the planning. But then when you're ready, you can hit execute, the date, the time, and then you would go ahead and move on to that next one. So let me do that. And as you can see, there's a test here. So if I wanted, say I had 3 emails within the campaign, I can do that too. Let me go back and edit it again just to show you what I mean by that. So in our events, you can see we scheduled the first one. If we want to do another one, and when say there was version 2 or number 2 in the email campaign, I would select the test and the template would be test 2 or email, whatever the subject of the email is, 2 or email number 2. So then you can do this and you can do number 2, test 1, 2, 3. Again, same thing. You can go and execute it and say you want it to go out tomorrow at say 6 a.m. and you want to get there bright and early, you can do that and you can repeat that for anything in the campaign. Once you save it, it's ready to go. So that is how you set the campaigns. What we'll go ahead and do as well is just in another video, we'll show kind of how to monitor the performance and the statistics and also kind of when leads come in or marketing qualified leads, how to handle that with a sales process. So thanks for looking over the NetSuite marketing automation. There is NetSuite workflows that we can also discuss in another video. That one takes it to a whole new level, which is probably what you're doing in HubSpot or MailChimp. Basically, based off the engagement type, if or but or and ors that basically create that funnel for you and takes the contact on their own marketing journey. So thank you for watching today's video and hope that you found this helpful.